Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. In our last class we have discussed how to find the volume of a cuboid and cube. Here in this section we shall discuss about how to find the volume of a cylinder. So in our previous class, when we are deriving the formula for volume of a cuboid, we are using a formula that is volume of a cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. As area of the base in case of cuboid is L into B, so into height, that is LBH is the volume of a cuboid. So this formula is applicable for those solid figures where the two base, the upper base and lower base, are congruent and they are parallel to each other, and the edges, the side edges, are perpendicular to the base. Here in case of cylinder also, the upper base is a circle, the lower base is also a circle, and these two bases are congruent to each other and parallel to each other. And also the curved surface of the cylinder is perpendicular to the base. So here in case of cylinder, we can apply this formula to find the volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is equal to area of the base into height. So here in this cylinder we have taken the base is having radius r unit and height of the cylinder is h unit. So the two base are circles. So the base, area of the base is pi r square, area of a circle, into height is our h. So the volume formula is pi r square h. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. You have to remember this formula and you will be able to solve any problems to find the volume of a cylinder by using this formula. So let us solve some examples by using the volume formula of a cylinder, that is pi r square h. Let us solve this example. A rectangular paper of width 14 cm is rolled along its width and a cylinder of radius 20 cm is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. So this is the rectangular sheet of paper having width 14 cm. If we roll a rectangular sheet of paper about its width, then it will form a cylinder. So the cylinder, the height is equal to the width of the paper. So this cylinder is formed having height 14 cm and radius of the base is 20 cm. We have to find the volume of the cylinder. So radius of the base of the cylinder is 20 cm and height of the cylinder is equal to 14 cm. So what is the volume of the cylinder? So volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is the formula. So this is equal to pi is given as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 multiplied with 20 multiplied with 20 multiplied with 14. So this is equal to 22 into 20 into 20 into 2. So this is equal to 440 multiplied with 40. So this is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of this cylinder. Next example is a rectangular piece of paper 11 centimeter by 4 centimeter. That means the length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. So find the volume of the cylinder. So this is the rectangular sheet of paper having length 11 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. So this paper is rolled without overlapping about its width, so that the cylinder form has height 4 centimeter and this length 11 centimeter of the rectangular sheet of paper become the circumference of the base. So by using this circumference as 11 centimeter, first we have to find the radius of the base. Then we can find the volume of the cylinder. So here you have to write, if the rectangular sheet or rectangular piece of paper is folded to form a cylinder, then width of the paper is equal to height of the cylinder. That is equal to 4 centimeter. And the length of the sheet paper, is equal to circumference of the base. That means this length is folded to form a circle. That is the base of the cylinder. So length of the paper is 11 centimeter. So let the radius of the base. Is R. So circumference is equal to 2 pi R. So this is equal to 11 centimeter. So this implies 2 multiplied with 22 by 7 into R is equal to 11 centimeter. So this implies R is equal to 11 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So this is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. So R is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. So next we have to find the volume. So volume is equal to pi R square H. So this is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied with 7 by 4 multiplied with 7 by 4 and height is 4. So this is equal to, so this is 22 into 7 divided by 4. So this is equal to 77 by 2 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cylinder. In this way you can use the volume formula of a cylinder, that is pi R square H.